puffins. Sea clowns. If you've ever seen a puffin, you are not likely to forget it. Even if you haven't, you probably know what these charming birds look like. Their plump little bodies, black and white feather, a huge colorful beaks are funny and unusual. Their appearance is just one of the reason people enjoy watching and learning about them. Meet the puffin. Puffins are sea birds, birds that spend most of their lives on the open ocean. They're skillful swimmers that zoom through the water using their wing as flipper and their feet to steer. They can dive 100 feet more and stay underwater for about half a minute. Puffins also fly well and can walk with ease over rock and soil. Puffins live in North Atlantic and North Pacific Oceans. From mid-spring through summer, they live in nesting groups on islands and coastal cliffs. During this time of year, the breeding season, they dressed up to attract the mate. They have large, colorful beaks, area of white feather and extra feather for decoration. Also, their webbed feet become bright orange the rest of the year, while at sea they are mainly black, white, and gray. Atlantic puffins live on both sides of the North Atlantic Ocean. They are the smallest puffin and the least fancy when they are dressed up. Their beaks have bright orange tips and blue-gray parts trimmed in yellow. They have orange feet and white face, chest and belly. Adult male and female puffins of each type look alike, but males may be a bit larger. Young puffins look like non-breeding adults. Horned puffin live in the North Pacific Ocean, mainly south of the Arctic Circle. During the breeding season, they look like Atlantic puffins with their white face, chest, and belly. However, they have yellow instead of blue-gray area at the base of their beak. They also have a thin group of black eyelashes above each eye. The eyelashes make horned puffin look as though they are wearing makeup. Tufted puffins are found in both sides of North Pacific Ocean. They live as far as north as Alaska and as far south as Japan and central California. In contrast to Atlantic and horned puffins, tufted puffins have black chest and belly. In winter they are black with large red-orange beaks. During the breeding season they have a white mask, an olive-yellow beak section, and an orange eye ring. Also, they grow long gold feather above their eyes. Rhinoceros ocelos are less well known than other puffins. They also look very different. For this reason, they are sometimes thought to be close cousins instead of actual puffins. Rhinos live along the Pacific coast of North America and along the coast of Asia near Japan. During season, their thin yellow-orange bill has a short horn and at the base. Rhinos are dark brown on the back and lighter brown on the chest and belly. They have two thin stripes with their feather on each side of their heads. Puffin habit. Puffins usually return from sea in late March and early April. During the season, they often live in groups of several thousand birds. They usually stay with some mate and return to the same nesting site year after year. When they return, each pair prepares a burrow. Then the female lays a single egg. Some types of puffin dig burrows in soft soil. Others make nests in openings between the rocks and cliffs. Parents take turns keeping the egg warm. Both parents feed the chick for 1 to 2 months until it can fly. Puffins become adults at around 5 years of age. They can live for 20 years or more. Puffins mainly eat small fish in winter when fewer fish are available. They may also eat they may eat they may also uh, eat squid, shrimps, crabs, and other small animals. Adult puffins eat underwater. They also collect fish to take back to their chicks. Puffins can carry 15 or more fish in their beaks at a time. They hold the fish with their rough, rough tongue and spines on the roof of their mouth. Protecting puffin. Humans have hunted puffin for hundreds of years for their meat, eggs and feathers. In some places, these seabirds are still hunted. Humans also put puffin in danger in other ways because large number of the cold water fish that puffin eat. Warmer ocean water because of climate change also mean less food for puffin. Some types of fish that are now common are too big for chick to eat. Puffin also get caught in fishing nets, and they are hurt by pollution swallowing plastic. Humans have bothered 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 many of their nesting area. Puffins are also endangered because of the other animals that hunt them, including ghouls, eagles, rats, and foxes. In places that puffins live, people are working to solve problems so these amazing seabirds can stay alive. Seeing puffin. To see puffin in the wild, keeping in mind so that they are out at sea for many months each year. They are only on land during the breeding season. They will mainly be found on cliffs and islands that they are hard to reach. However, it is worth the effort. If you can't get there, choose a place that allows people to talk for wildlife. You may have an easier time seeing puffin on a boat tour. You'll probably be able to see them from a closer distance. Wherever you go to see puffin, take binocular and a camera. Without doubt, you'll enjoy watching these wonderful special birds.